This week on Morning Edition, Martin Rivera. Live in the studio with us today.
Bawat isa sana'y ika'y muling And the Grinch crept upstairs.
I've got to be direct. If I'm always correct, you're so far away. Yeah, yeah, you're so far away anymore. It would be so fine to see your face at my door. Doesn't have to know that you're so far away. Turn it around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now. Don't stop me. I'm having a good time, having a good time. Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, have a good time, good time. Well, now they know. Let it go. Let it No, because I saw you on the corner of my eye stand up. So I was like, what is gonna happen? Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know.
Hello? Hello. Hi.
Trey, look
Hi,
at the
Trey.
ball. Where is the ball? Trey, look at this. Trey, look at this.
Dude, he's gonna be musical.
Ah, come here, baby. Are you gonna sing?
Grab the guitar.
Play the piano.
Hello. 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 Hey. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello, Araneta. Sure. Sige. Pwedeng medley? Pwedeng medley. Oo. Kaya lang yung ibang part na mataas hindi ko kayang abutin.
Maybe talaga. Ano, okay, Alcacid yan.
Hindi.
Play the guitar.
Hindi ako magme-medley. Joke lang. Wow.
Politely right on through some sort of a window to your right as he goes left and you stay right. How to save a life?
The babies on the bus go wah 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go. Ooh, I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes the last sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it
Ibigin.
Pakinggan natin.
A lot.